Welcome to the Viral Reach demo. In this quick demo, we are going to show you how Viral Reach works and how it can generate a lot of traffic for you 100% organically. When you start Viral Reach, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you will see some of the activity on your pages, the campaigns that you're running, how many posts you've made, and so on. And if you scroll a little below, you will see all the options available to you right on the dashboard. So the FB pages is the area where you can add more pages to your Viral Reach. So if you want to add a page, just click on add FB page and you will see a list of all the Facebook pages that you have on your account. Of course, you have to be logged in and you can add any page by clicking on the add page button. All the pages that are added already will be listed right over here, and you will also see a list of the project counts. You will see how many projects are posting to that page. Come to the next one, projects. Now Viral Reach is divided into projects, and the projects can be of multiple types. They can be images, GIFs, videos, links, text, curation. After you add the FB page, you will need to create a project which will run the post to the page, which will publish the post to the page. Now the project is the place where you actually specify what kind of content you want to get and when and how you want to publish it to your page. So let's come to this page. We already have so many projects, but let's get one more so that I can show you how it works. So let's click on create new project over here. You can see that the page name is selected by default. If you want to change it, you can go back and of course select a different page, but let's just go with this one. And then you can select a project name. Let's call it 123 project, image project. If you want to give it a description, give it a description. Then you can select the content type. You have so many options. Let's go with image project for this time. And then you need to select the date when you want the project to start. So basically you have to select the start date and the end date of the publishing campaign. So let's pick up a start date and an end date, and you can also pick up a posting time. So you can maybe go for the mornings, 10:50 or 10:30, whatever one time you want to publish this post. So every day at that time, this particular section or this particular project will publish a post to your Facebook page. Click on create project, give it a description for your reference, and the project is created. Let's see if the project that we created is created or not. Let's go to the last page, and yes, the project is there. Now let's start posting images. So click on pictures and select the page that you want to work with. You will see a list of all the projects that are picture projects and associated with this page. So this is the project that we just created. Then you can select the picture source. You can work with Flickr. You can upload your own images if you want, or you can work with an image editor and just select edited images, select images that you create right then. Now we want to make it as automatic as possible. So let's start with creating with Flickr and get some images from Flickr. Let's put in a keyword. Let's go for this one, for example. You can also select the number of images that you want to get. Let's go for 20. And here you can see all the images that have been collected, and you can quickly post them to your page, schedule them for posting to your page by clicking on add. So let's click on add on some images. Let's go for, okay, so we actually had a campaign or a project for 5 days, so that is already 7 days, so that's already done. Then we click here to view the selected images that we have got. So we have all the images right over here, which will be posted on a specific time every day. So you can see 25th November, 27th November, 28th November, 29th November, all the dates are already filled, and you can just put in some description. So there are some images from earlier also that we have. You can just put in some description. You can put it in all the description boxes if you want. Also remember, this is spin text compatible, so you can put in spin text if you want to do that. So let's put in spin text at one of the places. So that's done, and click on submit to FB. As soon as you click on submit, all of these images are scheduled for publishing and will be published one at a time every day on the scheduled time. You don't have to do anything else. Your page is going to see all that content coming to it on 100% auto. Let's go to FB and check it out. So here you can see all the posts that were scheduled and have been published on the page, and all the posts that you scheduled for the future will be displayed in the scheduled post. Similarly, we can create projects for each content type, and depending on how many posts you want on your page each day, create as many projects. This time let's create a text project for the same page. Click on create new project, give it a name, description. Let's select text project. We'll need to select a start date and an end date and the time we want to post. Again, click on create project, and now we have a text project 2. This is the one. Let's go into the text content finder and create some text content. Now what we can do is we can write a description, we can write a lot of text, and we can use spin. So here I've got some content with spin text. So each part of this text will be randomly selected. So whatever options I've got in the spin text blocks will be selected randomly, and I will have a pretty much original piece of content every single day. So if you're running a, let's say, an e-com page and you want to promote your e-com offers, just create the text content and just add content. So here you can see the content available to you, and if you click on it, you will see the boxes with the content with the text there, and just click on submit to FB to publish it to the Facebook page that you have. And of course it will be posted according to the time. So we have 28th October, 29th, and so on. One post going out each day on the specified time. And this post, as usual, is scheduled already in Facebook, and if you go inside Facebook, you should find it there. It will be published without doing anything else by Facebook. Similarly, in video content, again it's the same thing. Select the page, select the project that you want to work with. In this instance we don't have a project, so let's create one again. So I've created a project already. I've searched for a term and we have so many videos. Just as usual, click on add video to add the videos to the queue, and once your selection is complete, once you've got enough videos to fill all the days in your project, click on the project viewing link, and then you can put in your own description. If you want to change the description, you can change it, put something of your own. Click here to see my offer, and sorry for all the typos, just trying to type fast, and you can put a link to it, and that's it. You can replace every description by the description you want, and as usual you can use spin text. Once you're done, click on submit to FB, and the videos will be scheduled just like all the other sections. The next section we have is articles. Click on that, and here you can actually find quality articles from a variety of different sources to post on your Facebook page. So the linked source or the project source can be Easy in Articles, it's a website, or you can search your articles from Bing. So just put in any keyword and the articles will come from Bing, or you can actually connect to an RSS feed. So if you got an RSS feed, maybe from your blog or any other location, maybe someone else's blog or maybe a prominent website that you admire, you can put in the RSS feed there, or just get the default RSS sources for news and technology. This is Google News. You can select the top stories, for example, and all the top stories will be posted to your website. As usual, click on add articles, and once you have reached enough articles for your entire schedule, click on the selected links, and again you can put in your own text there. If you want, you can put in your own answer there, you can put in your own description or links, and finally click on submit to FB to post all of these articles to your Facebook fan page. You can also post your own original content, which means images that you've created or links that you've made, or just plain text, whatever you want. You can just type in and post it to Facebook manually. It will be scheduled according to the schedule you put in. And in reporting, you can see the engagement that your posts have generated. You click on engagement, and it's going to show you all the engagement that your posts have generated, what's the reach, how many reactions were there, and so on, so that you will know exactly how much buzz, what kind of buzz your posts are creating, and what kind of content you're also posting to all the pages that you have, how many projects you've got running, how many content types you have for each kind of project, and all of that information is right available there in engagement. Finally, in errors, if there's any problem posting to your Facebook fan page, you're going to be reported. You're going to see the report over here so that you'll know why exactly this happened, and you can actually fix that. If you get the agency version of this software, you will also get the facility to create sub-users, so you can sell your account or sell sub-user accounts and charge them a monthly recurring. And the pro version of the software also gives you animated GIFs, so you can actually just select the GIF source and put in a keyword, for example, select the number of GIFs you want, click select search, and you will see so many GIFs for the keyword that you've put in. And again, you can post these GIFs to your website, to your Facebook fan page, sorry, and you can generate the buzz and the traffic using GIFs too. So this was Viral Reach. It's an automated software to help you find content and post them to Facebook on a long-term schedule. So you can find and schedule content for weeks and even for months using Viral Reach.